To enable developer options on the Redmi 14C, click on the settings icon on your device's home screen or open a notification window by swiping down from the top of the screen and find the gear icon to go into settings. Find the About Phone section and click on it. When you are in the About Phone section, find OS version. Click this line 7 times in a row. On the screen you will see a notification with a close time like you are 2 steps from the developer mode. Keep clicking until you see the message that you are now a developer. Press the back button to return to the main settings. This can be the back button on the screen or the touch button on the bottom of your device. Find Additional Settings section and scroll down to the bottom of your device to find the developer options. You now have access to advanced developer features such as Keep Screen Lock, which means that the screen doesn't go out when charging, or USB debugging, for debugging via USB. If you decide that all the required options are already enabled and want to disable developer mode, just move the switch at the top of the screen to Off Developer Options. Options will disappear from the menu, but you can always get them back by just clicking 7 times on the OS version. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel and enjoy!